Alright, in this video we are going to look at how you can order your SharePoint list response in Power Automate. For example, if you want to order your response by a modified date column or a title column. Let's jump right into it. Oh, and by the way, if you enjoyed or found the video helpful, I would really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So in the new designer, you have to go to the advanced parameters of your Get items and show the order by column. That will enable this field where we can type in our OData OrderBy query. In the old designer, if you have this one, you have to press the show advanced option, and there you have your field order by. So in this field, you are going to specify the OData OrderBy query. And that works by specifying your column name and then ASC for ascending, so order by ascending, or DESC for descending. That will order your list response after a modified date here. If you want to combine columns, you add a comma and then the name of your column, and then again ascending or descending. That's how you can combine two columns. The priority is from left to right, so first it will order by the modified date, and after that it will order by the title in this case. There you go, and that's how you can order your SharePoint list response.